How to connect Epson printer to laptop via Epson Connect login. Learn how to quickly connect your Epson printer to your laptop using Epson Connect. This guide walks you through downloading the necessary drivers, setting up a wireless connection, logging into your Epson Connect account, and registering your printer for cloud printing. Once the setup is complete, you'll be able to print wirelessly from your laptop anytime, anywhere with ease and convenience. 1. Network connection problems. Check Wi-Fi SSID and password. Ensure your printer is connected to the correct wireless network and the password is entered correctly. 2. Epson Connect utility setup errors. Installation. Download and install the Epson Connect printer setup utility from Epson's official site. Registration. During setup, select printer registration after agree after OK. If creating a new account, fill out the registration form. 3. Email print and cloud services. Print log. Use the print log on the Epson Connect user page to check if emails are reaching the service. Error notifications. Enable email notifications to receive alerts when a print job fails. Thank you for watching Epson Connect Troubleshooting Guide. Your printer should now be ready to print, scan, and share seamlessly. For further support, visit Epson's official help center.